Upgrade your ride with the 20 amazing car gadgets and accessories on Amazon. From smart tools that make driving safer and easier to clever accessories that add style and convenience, these picks are designed to transform your car experience. Some items can even be upgraded for extra functionality. Stick around till the very end. You won't believe some of the final gadgets and how much they can completely change the way you drive. Number 1. weBoost Drive Reach Signal. Boosters stay connected no matter where the road takes you with the weBoost Drive Reach Signal Booster. It dramatically strengthens your phone signal, reducing dropped calls and slow data. Perfect for long drives, remote areas, or heavy traffic, it ensures uninterrupted navigation and streaming. Easy to install and compatible with all US carriers, this gadget is both practical and essential. Limited stock is available, so click the link in the description now and never lose connection on the road again. Number 2. OHLPRO Backseat Car Charger. Keep every passenger powered up with the OHLPRO Backseat Car Charger. Its 3-in-1 design offers fast charging for multiple devices simultaneously, perfect for family trips or rideshare passengers. Retractable cords keep the backseat organized and tangle-free, while the 36-watt output ensures rapid charging for iPhones, Samsungs, and more. Durable and compact, it's a must-have for modern drivers. Don't miss out. Limited supply available. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Number 3. WEKEFON Tech Magnetic Wireless Car Charger. Upgrade your drive with the WEKEFON Tech Magnetic Wireless Car Charger. Its magnetic alignment ensures your phone stays secure while charging quickly on the go. Compatible with all Qi-enabled smartphones, it allows one-handed mounting and effortless adjustment. Ideal for GPS navigation, calls, or streaming music, it's sleek, stylish, and highly functional. Stocks are flying off fast. Tap the link in the description now to secure this essential car accessory for safer, smarter driving. Number 4. Launch CRP123X OBD2 Scanner. Diagnose car issues instantly with the Launch CRP123X OBD2 Scanner. This user-friendly gadget reads engine codes, clears trouble lights, and monitors vital vehicle systems in real time. Compatible with most vehicles, it saves costly trips to the mechanic and helps prevent unexpected breakdowns. Compact and portable, it's perfect for DIY car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Don't wait for problems to escalate. Click the link in the description to grab this must-have diagnostic tool. Number 5. Innova 5210 OBD2 Engine Code Reader. Keep your car in top shape with the Innova 5210 OBD2 Engine Code Reader. It quickly identifies engine issues, checks emission status, and offers accurate diagnostics for reliable maintenance. Simple plug-and-play functionality makes it accessible for beginners, while advanced features satisfy pros. Avoid expensive repair bills and gain confidence under the hood. Limited units are available. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this indispensable tool today before it sells out. Number 6. MINGLE Undercarriage Pressure Washer. Clean every corner of your car effortlessly with the MINGLE Undercarriage Pressure Washer. Its powerful spray removes dirt, mud, and grime from tires and hard-to-reach areas. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for home use or on-the-go detailing. Protect your vehicle from rust and maintain a showroom shine year-round. Don't wait until dirt builds up. Limited stock is ready. Click the link in the description now to grab this ultimate cleaning gadget and elevate your car care game. Number 7. Headrest Safe Vulcan Leatherette Headrest Brake Paints. Perfect for storing wallets, keys, or small electronics, it attaches easily to any car seat headrest. Durable and lockable, it provides peace of mind during trips or when parking in busy areas. Compact yet practical, it's a must-have security upgrade for every driver. Don't risk losing your essentials. Click the link in the description to grab yours before supplies run out. Number 8. SOOWAY Biometric Pistol Gun Safe. Protect your firearm with the SOOWAY Biometric Pistol Gun Safe. Quick access fingerprint technology ensures only you can open it, while its compact size fits seamlessly under your car seat. Ideal for responsible gun owners, it provides safety and peace of mind on every journey. Rugged construction resists tampering, making it reliable and secure. Limited quantities are available, so click the link in the description now to safeguard your weapon efficiently and safely. Number 9. Bang 4-Buck Portable Electric Pressure Washer. Blast away dirt and grime anywhere with the Bang 4-Buck Portable Electric Pressure Washer. Its compact cordless design allows for quick cleaning at home or on the road. Adjustable spray patterns handle vehicles, patios, and outdoor equipment effortlessly. Lightweight yet powerful, it's perfect for keeping your car spotless year-round. Don't let dirt slow you down. Tap the link in the description to grab this versatile must-have gadget while supplies last. Number 10. DentGoalie Magnetic Car Door Protector. Avoid dings and scratches with the DentGoalie Magnetic Car Door Protector. Its strong magnets hold firmly in place while protecting doors in tight parking spots. Easy to attach and remove, it's a practical solution for urban drivers and families alike. Preserve your car's pristine look and save on repair costs. Stock is limited, so click the link in the description now to secure this clever protective accessory for your vehicle today. Number 11. Maxsa Car Butler Seat Hanger. Maximize interior space with the Maxsa Car Butler Seat Hanger. Organize bags, groceries, and accessories while keeping the back seat tidy and clutter-free. Durable construction supports heavy items without sagging, making it ideal for busy commuters and families. Quick installation ensures immediate convenience. Don't miss this opportunity. Limited stock available. Click the link in the description to grab your Car Butler Seat Hanger now and transform your car's storage instantly. Number 12. MobiKey Purse Hook for Car. Keep your purse or bag within easy reach with the MobiKey Purse Hook for Car. Securely attaches to the headrest or seat back, preventing spills and floor contact. Perfect for commuters and parents. It's sleek, lightweight, and highly functional. Simplify your ride and protect your belongings effortlessly. Supplies are limited, so click the link in the description now to grab this essential car accessory and enjoy a clutter-free journey today. Number 13. DD-Out Seat Back. Gun rack. Store your firearms safely with the DD-Out Seat Back Gun Rack. Designed for quick access and secure placement, it attaches to your car's seat back effortlessly. Ideal for law enforcement, hunters, or responsible gun owners, it keeps your weapon stable during travel. Durable construction ensures reliability and safety. Don't risk improper storage. Click the link in the description to grab this practical accessory today and take control of firearm organization in your vehicle. Number 14. Energizer 30 feet 800 amps jumper cables. Be ready for roadside emergencies with Energizer 30 feet 800 amps jumper cables. Heavy-duty construction ensures reliable power transfer for cars, trucks, or SUVs. Extra long design allows flexibility in tight spaces, while insulated grips enhance safety. Never get stranded with a dead battery again. Limited stock is available. Click the link in the description to grab these essential jumper cables today and drive with confidence wherever you go. Number 15. OHLPRO 6000 A Car Jump Starter. Power up any car instantly with the OHLPRO 6000 A Car Jump Starter. Compact and portable, it provides reliable starts for dead batteries while offering USB ports for phone charging. Perfect for emergencies or long road trips, it ensures peace of mind anywhere. Durable and easy to use, it's a must-have for every driver. Supplies are limited, so click the link in the description now to secure your jump starter and stay prepared for the unexpected. Number 16. Undercarriage Car Alarm Anti-Theft System. Protect your vehicle with the Undercarriage Car Alarm Anti-Theft System. Advanced sensors detect unauthorized movement, alerting you instantly via loud alarms. Easy installation and remote control access make it simple for daily use. Ideal for urban and suburban drivers alike, it enhances security and peace of mind. Don't leave your car unprotected. Tap the link in the description to grab this top-rated security gadget before stock runs out. Number 17. Tripole USB Car Vent Fan. Beat the heat with the Tripole USB Car Vent Fan. Compact yet powerful, it attaches easily to any vent and circulates fresh air for a comfortable ride. Perfect for hot summer drives, office commutes, or family trips, it keeps everyone cool and happy. Energy-efficient design ensures minimal power use. Limited stock is available, so click the link in the description now to grab this convenient gadget for instant relief in your car. Number 18. Westel Automatic Folding Car Tent. Turn any parking spot into a cozy shelter with the Westel Automatic Folding Car Tent. Quick setup and durable construction provide shade, protection from rain, and privacy during camping or outdoor events. Compact storage ensures portability without sacrificing functionality. Perfect for adventures or tailgating, it's an essential gadget for outdoor enthusiasts. Supplies are limited. Click the link in the description now to grab your automatic car tent before it sells out. Number 19. Latour WMRV TPMS. Tire pressure monitor. Stay safe on the road with the Latour WMRV TPMS tire pressure monitor. Real-time pressure readings prevent blowouts, improve fuel efficiency, and extend tire life. Wireless sensors provide accurate monitoring without manual checks. Perfect for RVs, trucks, and cars. Compact and easy to use, it's a must-have safety gadget. Stock is limited, so click the link in the description now to secure your TPMS and drive worry-free wherever your journey takes you. Number 20. Yowizo Wireless Solar Backup Camera. Enhance visibility with the Yowizo Wireless Solar Backup Camera. Solar-powered, wireless, and easy to install, it provides a clear view of obstacles while reversing. Perfect for parking, trailers, and tight spots, it improves safety for the whole family. Durable, weather-resistant design ensures long-lasting performance. Don't wait until accidents happen. Click the link in the description to grab this essential gadget and make backing up stress-free and safe. And there you have it, the top 20 amazing car gadgets and accessories on Amazon that you absolutely need right now. From safety upgrades to convenience boosters, every single item we covered can transform your driving experience. Don't wait until these deals disappear. Stock is limited, and these gadgets are flying off the shelves. Click the links in the description below to grab yours today and take your car to the next level of style, comfort, and functionality.